How to create poll on Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to homepage. Now at the top, you're gonna find the option Create Story. Click on that. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture for the background. Once you have selected the picture, at the right corner, you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option stickers. Under that, you're gonna find multiple options. Select the option poll. Now go ahead and type your questions and set the two response options. Default is yes or no. Now you can place this poll anywhere on your story, then share it. And that's it. This way you can easily create a poll on Facebook. Once your story has been uploaded, you can click on this poll option, and with that you'll be able to see the responses. And that's it. This is how you can easily create poll on Facebook. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.